Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to do an unboxing of the fall lettering box with you today. My name is Betsy Goodman. I'm a wax sew and lettering artist, and the lettering box is my seasonal subscription that includes lettering supplies, wax sew supplies, and a seasonal lettering project. You are going to love this fall box. Let me show you what's coming. The first thing you'll probably notice about this box is that it's plain. The items we got for this fall box wouldn't fit in our regular branded boxes, so we had to get this plain box just for this fall box. Let me show you what's coming. Oh, it's so cute. I just can't wait to show you this. So, the very first thing that I'll show you is right up here on top. This is a fall card set. Let me show you these. Everything in here are super pretty, like fall colors, fall patterns. They are so fun. So it's a fall card set. There's 8 cards in total, and there's 2 of each design. So there's this really gorgeous kind of William Morris inspired pattern with a dark background. This one in some really cute peaches. This one, they're flipped so that they can fit in there better. This one says thinking of you, so it does have that gold foil on there. And then this one is this really cute kind of mustardy floral. So those are the 4 different ones. Thinking of you with the cute little moth on there and fall leaves, the cute mustard, kind of pink florals, and the super dark. They're so cute and pretty, and they come with these matching envelopes. They're cream, so they're a little bit warmer, which is so fun for fall. So that's the very first thing that's coming in this fall lettering box. Let me show you the next 2 items are what we're going to be lettering on. So this is a super cute, sturdy canvas pencil pouch. You can open it. You can see it has a really nice lining in there. This super cute gold zipper. It's just so cute, but this is going to be the perfect surface for lettering on. And we have one more bag that I'll show you. This one is quite a bit larger, but it's a really large canvas tote bag. It won't even fit in the camera. But this is also for lettering. So that's the project that we're going to be doing, is lettering on these canvas bags. This box, I forgot to mention, is inspired by a movie. So I don't know if any of you have ever seen the movie You've Got Mail, but it's about Meg Ryan. Her character, Kathleen, has a bookshop. And anyway, so this box is inspired by that. It starts in the fall is when the movie takes place. And so this tote bag is like a bag it could be for groceries. It could be for me, like going to soccer with my kids and all the snacks, or my sketchbook. It could be for carrying books to and from the library, anything like that. And your little pouch, of course, will be great for pens or pencils, or you could even store your sealing wax in here as well. So those are the 2 items, and I'll give you ideas of what we can letter on those as part of the box. And so to do that, we need a fabric marker. So this is a fabric color marker. It's in a really gorgeous kind of terracotta color. So it's got this fine liner side, which is amazing. And then it also has a large brush pen size. So this pen is ideal and perfect for fabric, so it's going to work great on our canvas. You can also use it on paper though as well. And in our workbook, we have both monoline lettering, a monoline script for the fine liner, and we also have brush lettering in here so that you can learn both styles. So 2 more important things that I want to show you. One is the stamp. So every lettering box has wax sew supplies and lettering supplies, and then the project. So this is the stamp. So it's this cute little gorgeous daisy. It has these little notches out of the sides and around the edge, which is so cute. And it comes with cream and European gold sealing wax. And so this is what they look like when it's pressed. Let me scoot out a little bit. It's so gorgeous. And if you've seen this movie, there's a part in the movie where she says, "Don't you think daisies are the friendliest flower?" And so that's the inspiration behind this actual stamp, is I had to tie in the daisies with this. So those are the items that are coming in this box. There's also a couple bonuses. So these bonuses are for anyone who is an existing subscriber will get these bonus items. Or if you are a new subscriber and you order before Sunday, September 14th, you'll also get these. So there's 2 items. So the first one is this one to go along with our kind of bookish fall theme. These are magnetic bookmarks with super cute, the same kind of colors, but different patterns that are with the cards. But they're so nice when you're reading a book. You can just use this as a little magnetic clip to hold your place without having to bend the pages or anything. But they're super cute and fun. It's a little set of 3 with floral patterns. And the other bonus item for existing subscribers, and if you order by the 14th, is this fall notebook set, which I am so excited about. Let me show you these. They're so gorgeous. So let me take these out and I'll show you. So this is the set, and there's 3 different ones. So again, we were doing kind of that dark colors, and a lot of the patterns have similar motifs. So we've got the moth that repeats and the cute fall leaves, and it's a dot grid on the inside. So there's this notebook. There's also this one with this really cute kind of peaches and mauve colors. And then this one, which I adore, is kind of mustard with these large florals. But anyway, I'm obsessed with all the patterns, all the colors of this box. It's so fall, it's so fun, and it's like all of my favorite things. I can just imagine putting my little notebook as a sketchbook with my pen in my little tote bag, going to the library, hanging out, going to a little coffee shop, a bookstore, anything like that. It just sounds so fun and so much like fall. Those are the bonus items. Order before September 15th to get those, or if you're an existing subscriber, you automatically get these, which is so, so fun. And this box will ship out by Tuesday, September 23rd. So we need a little extra time because there's so many of subscribers who get this box, but I'm super excited about it. All the fun details, everything's cohesive with the colors. It just feels like fall, and it's going to be a really fun project to letter on these canvas totes, but also do some lettering on our cards and some practice lettering in our notebooks. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm so excited. I'd love to have you join, and I'm so grateful for all of you that have stuck around, that continue to get this box. You are all the best. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you would love to get the lettering box, make sure to click the link to join in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more lettering and wax seal tutorials.